Google just released Gemini Spark, and it is the first AI agent I have seen that actually runs when you are not there. Not when your laptop is open, not when you click a button. It is running right now on Google's servers while you sleep, executing multi-step workflows you set up once and forget about. And the part almost nobody is talking about, the one trigger configuration that makes this thing actually useful for client work instead of just a tech demo, I am saving that for the end because once you see it, the entire build clicks. I'm Paul James. I show solo operators how to use free AI tools to build service businesses without the subscription stack most courses push on you. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete system for turning tools like this into actual paying clients, my AI Toll Booth course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only showing for people coming from this video, so grab it while it's there. Drop a comment and let me know if you're heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who's in. Here's the thing, most automation platforms charge you $50 to $300 a month to connect your tools and run workflows. Zapier starts at $30 a month for basic automation. You are paying that before you have built a single deliverable, before you have landed a single client. And it is funny, the tools that get recommended the hardest in agency courses always seem to have the biggest affiliate checks behind them. Just something to think about before you hand over your card. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage, trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $300 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Gemini Spark matter. Google built this to run on their cloud infrastructure. You are not installing anything, you are not managing servers, and you are not paying per task. It is bundled into Google AI Ultra, which most people already have for other reasons. What makes Spark different is what I call the persistent agent framework. Most AI tools wait for you to ask them something. You type a prompt, they respond, the conversation ends. Spark flips that. You give it a task, a skill, or a schedule, and it executes autonomously on Google's cloud servers, even when your phone is locked and your laptop is off. It is checking your inbox. It is scanning your drive. It is updating spreadsheets. And the moment a trigger condition is met, it moves without you touching anything. Let me show you how this actually works. Spark has three core components: tasks, skills, and schedules. A task is a multi-step objective. You are not telling it to draft one email. You are telling it to scan your inbox for unanswered leads from the last 72 hours, pull context from Drive about each business, draft personalized follow-ups, and save them to a folder for your review. That entire sequence runs as one task. It connects natively to Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, YouTube, and Maps. No API setup. No Zapier zaps burning your monthly quota. Skills are reusable instructions you build once and invoke whenever they are relevant. Think of it like teaching Spark your process. You feed it 50 emails you have written to clients, and Spark builds a style guide from that sample. Now, every time it drafts something for you, it pulls from that skill automatically. Your tone, your structure, your phrasing. You are not reprompting it every time. You taught it once. Schedules are time-based or event-based triggers. Every Monday at 9 in the morning, Spark scans your inbox and Drive for anything flagged over the weekend, compiles a prioritized action list, and blocks time on your calendar based on urgency. That is a time trigger. Or EOS, a lead fills out a form on your website, it hits your Gmail, Spark detects the keyword, pulls their business details from Maps, researches their competitors, and drafts the first outreach email before you even see the notification. That is an event trigger. One thing I like about this is that you are not replacing yourself. You are replacing the repetitive work that normally eats up your day. Think about how many times you've copied information from one app to another, searched through old emails for a client conversation, or rebuilt the same report because someone wanted updated numbers. None of that is high-value work. It has to get done, but it doesn't have to be done by you. Spark handles those repeatable tasks so you can spend your time talking to clients, closing projects, and improving your services instead of babysitting software. Here's what that actually looks like for someone running lead generation as a service. One task, scan inbox for cold leads who opened your first email but did not reply. Pull their business info from Drive, research their Google Maps competitors, draft a follow-up email that references a gap you found in their competitor's strategy. Save it to a Sheets doc with the business name, contact, and the specific angle you found. That analysis used to take 40 minutes per lead if you did it manually. With Spark running continuously, it happens overnight while you sleep, and the tool costs nothing beyond the Google AI Ultra plan you are already paying for. That is a $300 lead gen deliverable built on infrastructure you do not manage. Let's keep building. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one scheduling rule you have to set first or it looks amateur and breaks in week 2. I am walking you through that in about 60 seconds. But first, let me show you where the money angles open up. Spark connects to third-party tools through something called Model Context Protocol. It is an open standard, which means developers can plug their platforms into Spark without Google having to build custom integrations for every tool. Right now you have Canva, OpenTable, and Instacart live. Adobe, Spotify, GitHub, Notion, and Slack are confirmed for this summer. That matters because the moment those integrations go live, you can sell custom knowledge base builds to clients. A roofing company wants an internal AI assistant that pulls from their Google Drive training docs and answers employee questions in real time. You build that with Spark, it runs continuously, and they pay you a setup fee plus a small monthly retainer. Most knowledge-based platforms charge $200 to $500 a month just to host that capability. Your version runs inside their existing Google Workspace. Email marketing is the other obvious play. A chiropractor has a list of 800 patients who have not booked in 6 months. You set up a Spark task that scans that list, pulls their last visit reason from Sheets, drafts a personalized re-engagement email based on their service history, and queues it for send. That campaign takes you 90 minutes to configure. You charge $400. The client reactivates 20 patients in the first 2 weeks. Most email platforms would charge them a monthly fee just to store that list and run basic automation. You delivered it as a one-time project using free infrastructure. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and grabbed my AI Toll Booth course from the description, do that now. Normally $197, but you are getting it for under $30 as a viewer of this video. That price is only live for people coming from this video, so if you want the full system for building this into paying client work, grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know you are in. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture this. A local salon owner is sitting on 600 old leads, people who inquired about a service 2 years ago and never booked. She does not have time to sort through that list. You set up Spark to scan her Gmail for anyone who asked about bridal packages but never followed through. It pulls their original inquiry, checks if they are still in the area using Maps data, drafts a follow-up offering a new promo, and saves the entire batch to Sheets with send dates staggered over 3 weeks so it does not look like spam. You charge her $350 for the setup. Spark runs it autonomously. She books 4 clients from that campaign in the first 10 days. That is $1,400 in revenue for her business from leads that were already sitting there. You built the entire workflow in under 2 hours. The platform cost you nothing. This is also why I think solo operators have such a big advantage right now. Larger businesses often have complicated software stacks, multiple approval layers, and teams trying to connect everything together. As a solo operator, you can build one workflow, test it on a client, improve it, and start using that same process again tomorrow. Every new client makes the workflow better, and every improvement saves you more time on the next project. That is how you slowly build a service business that becomes easier to run instead of harder. You're not working more hours. You're building systems that do more of the work for you. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The configuration move most people miss is the event-based schedule paired with a conditional skill. You do not just set Spark to run every Monday. You set it to trigger the moment a specific condition is met, an email with a certain subject line hits your inbox, a file gets added to a Drive folder, a calendar invite gets accepted, and you pair that trigger with a skill you already taught it. So the moment the trigger fires, Spark does not just notify you, it executes the full workflow you built, pulling from the skill for context. That combination, event trigger plus conditional skill, is what separates a system that runs smoothly for months from one that breaks the first time a client sends something unexpected. Most automation platforms make you rebuild logic every time an edge case shows up. Spark adapts because you taught it the skill once. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You wake up and 3 lead reactivation campaigns have already executed overnight. 5 follow-up emails drafted and saved for your review. 2 client knowledge bases updated with the latest Drive uploads. You are not managing tasks anymore. You are reviewing outputs and sending invoices. The clients think you have a team. You are running it solo with infrastructure that costs nothing beyond what you already pay for Google AI Ultra. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.